If you wanted to fix this problem on your EMU application, you just need to follow and watch me in this video step by step till the end. So let's start, guys. First, you don't even need to open your EMU, go directly and open your settings of your device. After this, go directly to your apps option. You will find here all the application that you have on your phone. As you see, search for EMU only. Click on it. Go directly to storage. Click right now on clear cache, then back, and click on force stop. Click OK, and then what you should do, go to your battery, enable it on optimizing mode. Go back and go directly right now to your set as a default, turn on open supported links, then go to Play Store, update your email on the last version, then restart your phone. That's all in this video, guys. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. See you in another video.